Non-woven fabric bag is a green product. Durable, built for in shape. Good air permeability, can be reused. Washable, can be printed. Advertising. Shipping marks, long service life. The products are made of non-woven fabric, which is a new generation of environmental, protect, non-combustion supporting, easy decomposition, non-toxic and non-irritating, rich color, low price and recyclable. The material can be decomposed naturally, for 90 days outdoors, and it can be used for reuse. It is non-toxic, tasteless and has no remaining substances during combustion, thus not polluting the environment. We have professional printing equipment, HEIDELBERG, 6COL or our printing machine and screen, printing machine. The sewing workshop has several professional sewing equipment and more than 100 professional workers.